commands and go into the home. You can observe on the modified palette. You can observe the different types of commands on the modify, or the different types of tools are available, and go on to the reverse and join. I will explain this tutorial and go, and let's get started. Then first draw the one of the line, specify next point, and I'm creating the one of the line like this and creating the one of the circle. After creating the one of the line, I want to break the objects. I already explained how to break the objects in my previous tutorial. You can also observe no previous. I'm selecting the break command and break the some of the object or the one of the parties I deleted. Break it apart, and on the circular part I'm click like this, and by using the break again I'm breaking the sum of the part from the total part of the circle, and I created a two one of the circle and another one of the line, and go into the join. I will explain and select the line, first line. You can observe on the command line what are the operations I performing on the screen. You can observe and select source object or multiple objects to join at once. It is asking like this, and select the line object and select the another line and click on enter, and it shows the select objects using 1, 4 and 2 total. After that click on enter option and click on enter. See, the line is joined where you break in previous. That part is join. You can select the line, you can observe. Again I will explain, and go on to the modify and go on to join. After join and click on the select object and select this line and two lines. After that the part is joined, two lines joined into the one line. You can observe on the command line prompt and go on to the modify and go on to the reverse. First go on to the join. If you want to join, two parts are required because it is not forming of the circuit, because the two objects are not considered. Is a one found, it is also showing. It is not possible. You want to join the parts of the circle object, two parts required. I will show you, and go on to the break. Again I'm breaking. This see the two parts are created. By this we can create the single part by using the join. Select the first object and second object and click on enter. You can observe the one found and the two total. The objects are joined and click on enter. You can observe the line is the two arcs are joined and create the one of the arc like this. You can create the part by using the join command, and go on to the join. And before that I am breaking the some other three parts. I am breaking how it will look like. I will show you, and go into the join and select the first part and the second object, and see the one of the part is created. Again you want to join. How many joins are possible? That much of joins is possible by according with the parts, according with the dimensional parts. You can observe on the screen in the command line. And what are the operations I am performing? You can observe on the below of the command line. You can observe the commands. What are the type of commands? I am deleting this. I want to explain the reverse command this tutorial, and go on to the reverse. And you want to reverse any of the object. I will explain with one of the example. I am selecting the spline. Of the spline, I'm auto off, and before draw the spline, auto should off, and I'm creating the spline like this. How you will help by this tutorial. You can observe the reverse command, and one of the spline is created. After the spline is created, I will explain the reverse command and go into the reverse. After creating this, you can select the, before you select the all of the spline, you can observe the starting point. One of the point is C. The starting point is you want to stretch that point and add with point and remove. Already explained the spline operations, and you will create the first point is created like this. You want to reverse this point in a according to the direction. You can use the reverse command. It is useful like this, and go on to the reverse and select the reverse option and the reverse tool. It asks in the reverse the select object. You can observe on the command line and select the object. Nothing but a spline. Select the spline and click on enter. You can observe. After that you can select the object. You can observe the single point. You can observe on the reverse direction. You can observe the spline or helix and the ball lens spline or helix to reverse direction and click on enter and see the object direction has been reversed on showing on the below. See the point is reversed. You can observe again. I will show you and select the spline. See the point is reversed and reverse. Again you want to reverse this object. Again you can reverse.